day everyone, my name is Gabe Berraro and I am from grade 10 Pastures. And now, I'm gonna teach you how to do factor the polynomials. But first, what is factor the polynomials? The factor a polynomial is to express it as a product of two or more simpler polynomials, which is the reverse of multiplying factors together. Now, let's start. How will we factor the polynomial of 6x minus 12? All we can do is take out the GCF or greatest common factor, which is 6. To get what remain, divide 6x divided by 6 is x. And negative 12 divided by 6 is negative 2. And that's the answer. Let's have more examples. 4x squared minus 12x. Again, first we have to take out the GCF. We can take out the 4 from 4 and negative 12. We can also take out an x variable because they both contain it. So 4x squared divided by 4x is x. Negative 12x divided by 4x is negative 3. And that's the answer. That's how we can factor the polynomial. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from me. Thank you for watching.